Hi friends, today we're gonna learn a contemporary combo to Birds of a Feather by Billie Eilish. I'm gonna say that again. The song is Birds of a Feather by Billie Eilish, and I will link it below and I'll write it again, but somebody's still gonna ask. Anywho, this is, I would say, like an intermediate level combo. There's some floor work, there is a turn, there's a leg. You saw the beginning, but you can certainly modify to make it a little bit easier if you'd like. We are starting with a drag to the right with our right leg, and both of my arms are swooping forward, and this is one. And I really want you to imagine that someone is pulling those arms over to the corner and you're dragging nice and long. That goes. One, step across, two with your left leg. Your arms are coming down and around into a passe. So it goes drag, step, passe, down. Arms go left, right, down, left, right, down. And I would say that out of your passe, you should put your weight down to this corner, the left corner. So again, and I teach really slow. If you've never been here before, never done my combos, you'll know that I repeat stuff a lot so that you really get it. You drag right, step, 3, 4. Let's keep going. This part is simple. You do little bird wings up, sort of to almost like T level. That's up, float them down, float them up, drop them down. It makes a little more sense when you listen to the words. It goes, birds of a feather, we should stick together, I know. So we should stick together, drop. And you really want to think like somebody is picking up your elbows almost, like there's air coming up underneath your armpits, whoosh, and whoosh, down. Now this is, you gotta kind of like pick it up, be a little bit faster than you wanna be. Like I know you really wanna like be flowy and milk this, but it needs to be on we should stick together, I know. And notice that I do a little bit of like a breath down, collapse with my body before I come up. So faster from the top, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, we should stick together, drop. Now, one last small detail in case you didn't catch it. As I bring my leg, or as I bring my arms up here, I also bring my leg forward. So I'm in parallel, drop. Let's try that 8 count one more time with counts a little faster, and then we'll turn the music on. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Drag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, 8. Let's try it with music. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, up, up. Let's do that one more time. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, drag 1, 2, 3, up, up. Let's keep going. You said up, I know. You're gonna step right and swoop your arms like this feels very bird-like again. So if we're thinking about the textures of this dance, it is very soft and flowy, and even this part, really nice and flowy, like extend through the movements. Don't just go step, hit. No, get a little low too. So plie, bend your knee here, swoop, plie, swoop. All right, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna step front, step, prepare. Now I'm gonna do, I don't know what I wanna do. If I wanna do turned out, you can do a turned out coupe turn. I think that's like the prettier option. You could do parallel jazz turn, 1, 2, 3, however many you want, or you can just go step, prep, balance, and passe. Whatever you choose, make sure you're using the right leg. That is, like the right leg should be up. And that goes step, prep, hold, hold. I think the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's listen to it so you can hear that. Remember the swoops. That's our new part. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1. Swoop. I feel like you probably kind of heard it. Yeah, we'll be repeating it a lot, so I'm not going to keep going because I want to teach you how to get out of it. Out of your turn, you're going to step right leg and reach forward with the left arm. So you go turn, step directly onto it, reach, contract. So it's long, contracted. Then you're going to tuck and roll onto this leg. So you drop it down, knee tucks down, and I roll on my left. If you want to make that more dramatic, you are welcome to do reach and like kind of drop faster into it or drop with no hands. My knee just doesn't feel great enough to do that today, so I won't be doing that, but that's on. Can't change the weather. That's when you drop. Weather, keep rolling. We love a good plank and head roll here. Plank and head roll. Keep rolling. And now you're either gonna love me or hate me. If you're a lefty, you love me. Big leg extension with the left. You can stay down here on your elbow, or you can push up onto your hand and straighten that arm out and put the hips up, okay? You have a long time for this. Even better. That's what she says. You wanna be on better, or maybe it's forever. I think it's forever. Forever. Let me just finish it. You have forever. Put your feet down, plant them, and you're gonna push the hips up to stand up. You can do that. If that feels really hard for you, I don't blame you. It's a hard move. You're here. You can literally just stand it up and do like a nice roll up. No one's gonna judge you. I'm not gonna judge you because that's a hard move. Okay, let's take it back. So we just did swoops. Swoop to the right, swoop to the left, step, prep, turn. Reach and grab, tuck it to the floor, head roll, plank, go around. Keep going. Let your leg come up on forever. Then you have better. Really draw that out. How many times have I done those exact two moves in combos? A lot, but I don't care because this is my world. You're just living in it. You want to hear it? I think we should hear it. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Reach, around, up, up. Step, prep. Reach, weather. How are we doing? Quick check-in. Are you doing great? You should give this video a thumbs up if you're doing great, because we're almost there. All right, I hope you caught that. You know what? I can't be here that long, so rewind if you need it again. I'm really sorry. I'm gonna keep moving. You got up. Woo, better. This is a balance. Balance like you're in ballet class. Balance. Balance. I'm gonna go over it one time, and then you just gotta practice it if you don't know how to do it. So I stood up, I go to the right, right cross, left back, left cross, right back. So it's like a rock, step, step, rock, step, step. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is obviously not ballet, it's a lyrical contemporary fusion dance, so you don't need to be technically perfect here, but just know when you stand up, I do want these to be big and kind of low. So yeah, they really are not technically correct at all. They're just big and swoopy. So the words, it's a little weird. I hear it with the music, but when I try to explain it, it doesn't come out right. Better. I don't know, something, something. Run, run, leap. Step right, left, leap with the right. I should definitely look at what the lyrics say and tell you from there, cause that's embarrassing. Let me just tell you. Here we go. This is us standing up. There we go. That's not that complicated. I made it way more complicated in my head. She goes, I don't know what I'm crying for. So your steps are crying, leap is 4. All right, so remember, you rolled on the floor, you did your plank, whoosh. You rolled, you did your leg, whoosh. Then you did the hip thing, boom, you're up. You start the balances. I don't know what I'm crying for. Okay, I'm gonna play it from the top, but I'm gonna mark until that part so you could hear the rhythm. Okay, I'm marking, but I'll call it out for you if you want to do it for real. We drag 1, 2, passe, lift and lift, swoop right, swoop left, step, prep, turn, reach and drop. Plank head roll, leg reaches up, here it comes, hips are up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. So you heard that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up 1. Let's try it for reals from the tippity top. I'm leaping with the right leg. Nice flat soda shaw split leap. Let's do it, guys. I'm gonna try and get my knee to cooperate so I can really do this. 5, 6, 7. My leap was terrible, but you know what? I kind of did it. Now you're going to finish your leap. You step right, reach left. So step, reach. I'm flexing my foot. Boom, boom. I step back and I go arabesque, penché, whatever, weird leg thing to the back. That is not technically correct. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then it goes, love you more. I think the words are, I don't think I could love you more. Actually, I'm 90% sure that's what it is. So I don't know what I'm crying. Leap on 4. I don't think I could love you more. So you reach right, reach left, bring it to your heart, collapse. And that's the end. So let's go over that last part real quick because it's a little weird. You leap, right leg, step again on the right. This is like opposition. Someone's pulling your left hand as they pull the left foot. Step, reach, take it back, arabesque, whatever. It's not really arabesque. This is what I look like. Here. Terrible, probably. Reach. Then I just put it down and I go right, left, boom, dramatic heart. And that's it, that's the end. So why don't we just take it from the top and run it a few times. Here we go, 5, 6. more time for myself, for me to like actually leap and actually move my legs the way they're supposed to move. Take a second, think about it, run it over in your head 1 or 2 more times, and then we'll just do it. I'm literally just not gonna cut this part, so you have time to think. Pretend this is a real class. Pretend it's real. Turn your brain on, and I'm gonna try my best to actually leap. I will say this floor is kind of abysmal. It is not marly. Also, the back of my knee hurts. I'm always complaining about something, aren't I? Okay, are we ready? I think you're ready. Let's do it. I feel like, you know what this feels like? Like I'm on Dora the Explorer, and then she asks like, where is the da-da-da-da, or Blue's Clues? Okay, actually, I haven't watched either of those shows in so many years that I don't even actually know if that's how they go. But that's how I feel right now. I'm talking to the wall. Here we go. Okay, homies, really happy to have provided you another very mid combo, but hope you liked it. If you did and you end up wanting to show me your work, post it on your story and tag me at Dance with Kayleen on Instagram, or DM it to me, put it in your feed and tag me, whatever you want. But I've been doing workouts every single day this month. So if you are feeling like you want some strength, click around on my channel and I'll put it linked below, but I have daily workouts for you if you want to get strong and ready for more combos. Okay, I'm kind of delirious, so hope to have you back. See you in my next video. Bye.